and welcome to my YouTube channel, Create with Colgan. Today, we're going to be taking a walk through the Blacktop Garden. All right, let's see how we're doing today. It's a beautiful day. We'll take a quick look over here. This is our compost. Give it a little spin for you. Oh yeah, it's a cooking compost. You want to take a look? All right, let's see what this looks like. See, compost kind of clumps up in little balls. You mix it with the soil. It's the best fertilizer on the planet. All right, just let's take a quick look. I wanted to make a quick pass around and show you the bright sunny day, and more importantly, we did a haul on the veggies because it was time. When you plant all at the same time, guess what? It's harvest time all at the same time. So basically what we do with all these tomatoes is we make soup. And today we'll be making soup. We emulsify all these goodies because they're all ready at the same time. What are you gonna do? Eat 2,000 cherry tomatoes because they'll go bad? No. We'll be making a wonderful soup later, and it's gonna be, I mean, we have soup, I'm not lying, all winter long. It's amazing. Let's get a look back here. I wanted to show you the cantaloupes. Wow. That's the size of a clincher softball. This is a baseball size cantaloupe. And there you go. The sweetest cantaloupe, I say that every time. All right. Over here, we have the squash that comes over from our neighbor's garden. It literally crawls along our fence, and by October we have about 4 50-pound gourds hanging from here. Film at 11. Now you'll check that out in the videos to come. But what I really wanted to share with you guys is the beautiful, well, there's still some on the vine that we haven't taken off yet. Maybe by the end of this video they'll be in the soup too. But I mean, there are so many. It's gonna be amazing. Now, here's the good part. Is this beautiful or what? Blacktop Garden. And these are the hybrid Brandywine, funky looking tomatoes, but they're definitely a lot more at the vegetable store also. Hybrids. And this is where the bees actually reside and pollinate our garden. Right there. The length of this whole strip is channeled out. You could park about 10 of them in there. They're big bumblebees. 5 on each side. Let's see if we could get Mr. Bumblebee to come on out. Don't try this at home, boys and girls.
Okay, let this stay a low boil for about, might have to add some more chicken.